Your iPhone is hiding some seriously useful tools, and today I'm showing 10 features the best. Create a shared tab group in Safari. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. Tap the Tabs button in the bottom right corner. Select the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Choose Manage Tab Groups. Select New Tab Group with 7 tabs. Enter a name for the tab group. Tap Save to create it. Once created, tap the three-dot menu again. Select Share. Choose Messages or any preferred sharing option. Send the invitation link to others. Collaborate on websites together and see shared tabs update in real time. Quickly find recently edited passwords. Open the Passwords app on your device. Tap All Passwords to view your saved accounts. Tap the Sort button in the bottom left corner. Select Date edited from the list. Your most recently updated passwords will appear at the top. Tap any account to view, copy, or manage its password. You can also sort by date created to see your newest saved passwords first. Create an urgent reminder with an alarm. Open the Reminders app on your device. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. Enter a title for your reminder. Turn on the date option and select your preferred date. Enable the time option and choose when you want to be alerted. Add notes or extra details if needed. Turn on the urgent option to make the reminder stand out. Tap Done in the top right corner to save it. Your iPhone will trigger an alarm at the scheduled time, perfect for important tasks and deadlines. Make Control Center easier to use. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Press and hold on any empty area. Control Center will enter edit mode. Find the control you want to make larger. Drag the resize handle. Expand it into a larger tile for easier access. The control's name will appear below the icon. Repeat these steps for your most used controls. Organize your controls for a cleaner and more user-friendly layout. Use magnification in photo markup. Open the Photos app on your device. Select the photo you want to edit. Tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the markup icon in the top right corner. Draw a shape and hold your finger on the screen. Your iPhone will automatically perfect the shape. Tap the plus button in the markup toolbar. Select Add Loop from the menu. Move the magnifier over the area you want to highlight. Drag the blue handle to resize the loop. Drag the green handle to increase or decrease the zoom level. Use it to emphasize important details in your photo. Jump back faster in Settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Navigate through several menus and settings pages. When you want to go back, press and hold the back button in the top left corner. A list of previously visited pages will appear. Select any page from the navigation history. Instantly jump back to that section with a single tap. This saves time when browsing the settings. Supercharge the action button. Open the Settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and tap on the action button. Swipe through the available actions to explore your options. Choose the feature you want to access instantly. Assign actions such as calculator, flashlight, or voice memos. Review the preview to confirm your selection. Press and hold the action button to activate the assigned shortcut. Quickly switch between notes. Open the Notes app on your device. Tap any note to open it. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Recent Notes from the menu. A list of your recently viewed notes will appear. Tap any note to open it instantly. Quickly jump between notes without returning to the main notes screen. Reorganize the Photos app. Open the Photos app on your device. Tap Collections at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Reorder Collections. Drag your most used collections to the top. Move less important collections lower in the list. Tap Done to save your changes. Tap the three-dot menu again. Select Collapse All to minimize the collection's view. Expand only the sections you use most often. Customize the Pinned Collections section. Add favorite albums and shared albums. Enjoy a cleaner, more personalized photos experience. Turn websites into home screen apps. Open the Safari app on your device. Visit the website you want to add to your home screen. Tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. Enter a custom name for the shortcut if you'd like. Make sure Open as Web App is enabled. Tap Add in the top right corner. you'll see a new icon for the website. Tap the icon to launch the website just like a regular app. If you found these iPhone tips helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.